Are you looking for your next potential industrial land investment in Penang? Here is one that ticks all the boxes: strategic location, secure title, ready infrastructures, and serious upside potential. Welcome to our featured investment proposal at Mukim 04 Seberang Perai Tengah, Pulau Pinang. This is a 0.8805 hectare parcel, and that's about 2.18 acres or 95,730 square feet of untapped opportunity. Property summary. This land is held under Geran Mukim, a first-grade title, meaning it is freehold, equivalent with minimal legal encumbrances, and your holding cost just RM 10 ringgit per year in quit rent. You won't find anything better than that. Even better, the land already comes with road access, saving you time and cost in early stage development. That means you are one step ahead for logistics, construction, or tenant readiness. Strategically positioned in one of Penang's fastest growing industrial corridor, this lot is within minutes of Batu Industrial Park, Penang Science Park, and future-ready Penang Technology Park. Development potential? Whether your plan is to build warehousing, or an SME factory cluster, or even a logistic cross-dock facilities, this site has the size and zoning potential to make it happen. Development action plan? What's next? Apply for land use conversion to per industrial, submit infrastructure plan to MBSP, conduct soil tests, traffic studies, and layout planning. Straightforward process, and we'll guide you through it. Valuation and appreciation potential? Let's look at the numbers. Industrial land in this area trades between 45 ringgit to 60 ringgit per square feet. That values this land at around 4.3 to 5.7 million ringgit. Add to that a 7% to 10% annual appreciation trend, you have got serious value growth. Why this land? This isn't speculative land. It's a secure, well-located, ready-to-develop parcel with infrastructure in place, including a ready access road. That's a huge plus in today's industrial property game. So whether you are a private investor, logistic operator, or land banker, this opportunity deserves your attention. What are you waiting for? Schedule a site visit with me today or request for full due diligence kit. You can reach out to me at my contact over here. Thanks for watching. Penang's next industrial wave is here. Are you in position to ride it? Let's make smart land moves together. Bye!